this video I'll be showing you how to edit a split entry after generating a draft invoice and how to undo split entries. To edit an invoice generated for a split billing project, you will have to first void the draft invoice and then undo split entries. To do this, we're going to go ahead and click on Invoices and Drafts. Select the invoices you wish to void. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Void and OK. We strongly recommend that you print out a hard copy of an invoice before voiding it back to draft. Next up, we're going to undo a split entry. So let's go and click on Clients and Matters, and then go ahead and open the master matter that the split billing invoice was created against. Click on the Split Billing tab and click on Undo Split Entries. All split entries are now unsplit. Create any changes to the time and expense entries now before generating the split billing draft invoice again.